This video, we will guide you on how to setting your invoice template to compliance with SST. Let's look on SQL. I will show you how to modify your existing GST tax invoice format to the new SST invoice format. Just click on Preview, select any of your existing tax invoice format. Click on the blue color report name to enter into Report Designer. First, you are required to rename the title tax invoice to invoice wording by just left click on the tax invoice and remove the tax wording. Next, you are required to rename all the GST wording to tax wording. For example, total exclude GST, you may highlight on this field and rename the GST to tax. Same for total include GST, you may rename the GST to total include tax. For this GST amount, it comes with special query. Therefore, the simple way is to delete the existing field and to insert a new field by just copy and paste. Highlight on the total exclude tax, press on your keyboard Ctrl+C to copy and press on your keyboard Ctrl+V to paste. Once it's pasted out, you may move the alignment and rename it to tax amount 10% RM. Once it's done, let's scroll down. For this GST amount, it also comes with special query. Therefore, you may delete it by press on your keyboard delete button. Insert a new label by press on the A button. Click on here and rename the label 18 to tax amount. Once you've done it, let's proceed to document detail. If let's say your existing format will be showing out the tax code and you wish to modify the tax code to be replaced by the tax rate, you may click on the tax column and change it to tax rate. Once you've done it, click on File, Save As to insert a new report name, for example, Invoice, Sales Tax. Save. Now, let's preview with your new invoice format. I will also show you what is the compulsory invoice prescribed particulars. The invoice serial number, the date of the invoice, the name, address, and identification number of the registered manufacturer, the name and address of the person to whom the taxable goods is sold, description and quantity of the goods, any discount offered. For each description, distinguish the type of good, quantity, and amount payable excluding tax, the total amount payable excluding tax, the rate of the tax, and the total tax chargeable show as a separate amount, or the total amount payable inclusive of the total of taxes chargeable.
Subscribe to our YouTube for the latest videos, follow our Facebook for the latest update, go to our website for reports and guides. It's so easy.